So umpires are about to arrive on the ground. They have gone for a change. We welcome all the organizers and the members of organizing committee. Dharmesh Panchal is with us. Arjun Kandari, one of the organizers. So is our Rohit, Paulie. We request both the teams to start the game immediately. So for those who have tuned in late to their YouTube telecast, we welcome every one of you. In case you are sipping a cup of tea or a coffee, good evening to you and welcome. Santa Cruz Sunrisers have won the toss and elected to bat first against their traditional thinking of bowling first. Today they want to try out certain combinations because now hardly 3-4 games left per team. And all the teams are trying to get their balance right. Yesterday Lokhandwala Lions tried and they were on the verge of losing the first game. But honestly, all that begins well ends well. And Pradeep Bade was man of the match. So Sanju, the little master, is here. Yesterday we had both the games as a great ones. Yesterday we saw the highest team score by Bandra Assam Rangers, and we saw highest score posted by a team chasing the score, that was by Andheri Rockstar Royals, Aniket. Yesterday we gave away 2 man of the match, one from the losing side and one from the winning side. Hussain was from the winning side because he scored 65-24 and took 3 wickets. On the other end, Aniket of Andheri Rockstar Royals scored 63 of 24. And we thought that he also deserved man of the match. First over will be bowled by Akshay. This is a good side. Akshay, Kiran, Madan, Dadu, Vuma, Ozzy, Laksh, Puneet, Sid. A perfect balance and so we also welcome Nadeem Bhai of Lokhandwala Lions. Rahim is an opening batsman, and let me tell you, he is also highest wicket taker in this tournament. So Rahim. First delivery and very easily played a backward of square for a single, 1D. Score is 1. First over being bowled by Akshay, one of the most rhythmic bowler. He's a lefty Malcolm Marshall, I must say. Very consistent. Again, a beautiful delivery and just a good use of the wrist by Rahim. He's a wristy player. 2 without loss. Today we have 2 games coming up. First one is already started. The second one would be between Santa Cruz Gaurav and Juhu Giants. Right now we are seeing Chembur Knights bowling first against the toss-winning side of Santa Cruz Sunrisers. This time a better delivery and just opened the face of the bat and played square of the wicket for a single. All the 3 runs have gone to Rahim, and Sanju now will take the strike. He is known as Siddesh. He also reminds me of Sanju Samson. Batter delivery, but very rightly angled his bat in such a way that gets a single. 4. We are into over number 1. Four runs. So once again, Akshay from MCS end, right from the middle of the crease this time, wanted to go for a single, and very nice follow through there by Akshay. He had a shy at the stumps, but there was a single there, and score now 5. One good thing I liked about Santa Cruz Sunrisers today is they have not wasted a single delivery. They have scored at least a single of every ball. Yesterday's game has opened up new avenues for everyone, that anything is possible. This time from the edge of the crease, and a very stylish Lilshan scoop. And with this, he will get a single. So score at the end of first over is 6. So umpires, the organizing committee has allowed the runner. So yes, the organizing committee has given a mandate that you can allow. Rahim having some injury, and maybe that's the reason Rohit has come in as a runner. Yes. Yes, yes. Rahim will not be able to bowl. That's commanded by umpire. Great. So that is where I love MCA, because Association of Cricket Umpires Mumbai, these umpires have cleared certification of their career, and umpire Madhav Gotoskar is their mentor who keeps them going all the time. Some of the greatest umpires from Mumbai, umpire Mamsa, umpire Marcus Kutto, umpire Madhav Gotoskar. So Siddharth will bowl over number 2. He is known as Sid. And batsman is Siddesh. This time a short arm pull and an easy catch. But he will not be able to take it, and it will be 2 runs. Score now 8. Full toss ball, mistimed it. Ball is in the air, and oh my God, what a catch by Harsh Madan. New batsman Sachin. So very well tried by Siddharth. Score now 8-1. Sid is bowling over number 2. First one was bowled by Akshay. Rahim this time driving through the covers. Gets a single, score 9-1. Rahim having an injury means his footwork will have to be really good when you are injured. But then that is where your never say die attitude comes into place. I remember Dean Jones in Chennai Test. He was having loose motions and scored a double century against India. So this time pulling it towards square leg for a single. And I remember our own Ravi Shastri, when he made his debut in Wellington Test, he was having 104 fever and gave away 4 runs and claimed 3 wickets. So I think you should overcome your injuries and ailments, because when you play you forget everything. 10-1. This time a cracking shot, finding the gap, and it will go to the fence for 4. What a fluid shot. Everybody put your hands up in the air now. Everybody put your hands out of the air. 14-1. Sid to Rahim. Rahim this time pulling the ball and will get a single. Score now 15-1. We are over number 2 with just concluded. 7.5. Let's look at the individual scores as well. Rahim is leading on 11 and Sachin is yet to open his account. Santa Cruz Surprisers are defending champions. So we are about to start the next over. It will be Akshay.
Come on, Akshay. Maiden चाहिए, maiden.
Akshay gave away 6 runs of his first over.
From the ball.
But it was Sid who claimed the first wicket of Siddharth.
Very nice.
Over number 3 in progress from CSA. Left up over the wicket this time, handling that ball so well. I think when Akshay releases the ball, at that time he creates a plan which angle to bowl and where to bowl, which is very difficult to read when bowler decides which delivery to bowl at the very last moment. Again, drag the batsman to the back foot, and Sachin showing a solid defence. Harsh Madan has been a lucky charm for this side because he has always placed at least one catch of the now in every game. His position is fixed there.
Pressure, shabash boys.
15-1. Again, leaning forward, driving it through the line for a single.
Good release, that's it guys.
Score now 16-1. Good technique shown by Rahim in spite of his injury. On the other hand, Sachin has supported him to an extent. But we are still early into this game and a lot will depend after 5 or 6 overs. We will come to know what would be the projected score. Fuller led delivery, closed the eyes and played it towards the slip and will get a single. 7-1. Rohit doing a part-time job now as a runner. This time an over-pitch delivery and very easily played towards the wicket for 2. For 1 and 2 over number 3. start was not good today. They lost in the third ball by Harsh Mehra. But after that, we saw Rahim hitting the boundary, and ever since then, runs have started coming in.
Come on, Akshay.
What is very important is you look out for runs. The way salesman always looks out for orders and keep the order book ticking. There was a catch in the slip, there was a fielder there, but he couldn't take that catch. Kind of a blinder, I think it couldn't carry that. 20 for 1 after 3. Next to be pulled by Siddharth alias Sid. This time an over pitch delivery and made a cross-cutting shot. Ozzy was the fielder at deep long on.
Danny भी डाल सकता है ना, Danny.
21 for 1.
Dabu, I think is better.
Rahim on strike against Siddharth. So Sachin has inspected the ball. Since last few years, batsmen have started becoming a quality inspector, checking the quality of the balls, putting it on the bat, get that feel. This time a lower full toss and Rahim comes forward and drives but will not get more than a single. It's a 1D. Score now 22 for 1. We are into over number 4. (22 for 1). This time ball travels at a lightning speed outside the leg stump and it will be declared wide. 23 for 1. First wide by Sid. This time mistimed it and there's an easy catch. And Sid takes it. That's wicket number 2 for him. Rahim has to go. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. Rahim got out for 16 and Sachin is joined in now by Arjun, who's the captain. This time it went to Danny and there will be a wicket. Oh, what a great fielding by Danny. New batsman is Devansh. (23 for 3). We are into over number 4, and this has been a brilliant bowling and fielding performance. On one side, Harsh Madan, other side, Danny. These are commandos for Chembur. And Devansh perishes. Oh my God, Danny takes it. (23 for 4), and the defending champions are now taken for a ride by Chembur Knights. On one hand we have hot favorite team, on other hand we have challenger team, and the challenge is loud and clear. Ashok, the new batsman, trying to go for a big swing of the bat, and Danny is there. Score at the end of 4 overs, batting first, Santa Cruz. Sunrisers 23 for 4. Still a lot of batting to come, but as of now, they are in pressure. They have lost 4 of their best batsmen. Devansh getting out for 0 was like a heartbreak on a Valentine's Day. But that's what Chembur is all about. So Captain Arjun on strike now, and he is joined in by Ashok. Amongst the batsmen, you still have Dharmesh Panchal, who can hit some really good shots. Rohit is there. These two have been in good touch in this tournament. And let's not forget some useful contribution towards the later part of the batting order. But a lot will depend on Arjun, who is the captain of this side. He will have to score runs. Four overs, 23 for 4. Oh, there was an easy catch, but there was no one who could have taken it. Harsh Madan was a bit wide and placement was fine. 24 for 4. Ashok on strike now. Oh, what a beauty. Akshay is into his last over. And he can bowl the same line and length, whether morning, afternoon, evening or night. He has practiced so hard to create that angle. And that angle has suddenly made the batsman mad about how to go about that mad angle. 24 for 4. Again a better delivery, change of pace, but right on the stumps. Wicket to wicket is the mantra. Laksh is a non-playing captain, and the team looks to me like an autopilot team, a well-oiled machine. 24 for 4, we are into over number 5. 5 more after this. Lower full toss, and Ashok drives it towards mid-wicket. 25 for 4. Over number 5 in progress, and Arjun Kandhari on strike now. This is Khar Gymkhana, and you are watching Joy Builders presents Mumbai Cricket Stars Season 2, where every player is a winner. A B. Kandhari Realtors initiative. This time from the edge of the crease, once again went past slip. 26 for 4. They have constantly kept a fielder at first slip, but not able to capitalize on the angle that is being created by the young speedster Akshay. This time again a good delivery right on stumps, and Arjun defended it by stepping forward at the end of 5 overs. 26 for 4, run rate 5.20. Akshay 3 overs, 14 runs and 0 wicket. Siddharth on the other end has bowled 2 overs, 12 runs and 3 wickets. He's the demolition man. He's reminding me of that municipal commissioner who goes for the demolition of illegal construction. He's the main destruction, and Ashok now on strike, shaking hands with his old friend RAVI, Ravs. Now what next? In next 5 overs, they certainly need some runs, and there's a bowling, no bowling change. Siddharth will continue. He will bowl his last over, and it will be innings 6th over. Has claimed 3 wickets by giving away 12 runs. Good catching in his bowling. A powerful delivery, and this time Ashok drives, and it will be a 4. Poor fielding there. Score 30 for 4. Oh, mistimes it, but will certainly get a single, a good line delivery. But Ashok was early into the shot, and with this now score 31 for 4. Santa Cruz Sunrisers suddenly realizing that they are running short of time because this is 6th over. If not now, then when? They have lost 4 of their premier batsmen, 6 more wickets to go. This time trying to generate that extra pace, and because of that he bowls a wide. 2 for 4. Chembur Knights are utilizing the conditions so well. They are taking a lot of help from the pitch. Both Akshay and Siddharth. A quicker one, and Ashok straight away plays it above square leg for 2, and score now 34 for 4. Santa Cruz Gaurav, Villepale Gladiators, Juhu Giants. All these teams are yet to come up the learning curve. Horse played on 4th wicket. New batsman is Ravi Lingala, popularly known as Ravs Lingala in his friendship circle. Oh, there's no LBW, otherwise he would have been a customer. Played across the line, took his eyes off the ball. Still very tentative on his footwork. 34 for 5 here into over number 6. Santa Cruz Sunrisers winning the toss, deciding to bat first. They are defending champions. Oh, stylish one by Ravi Lingala. reminding me of Richie Richardson, who used to play shots like this in Test cricket. Here. 35 for 5 at the end of 6 overs. Run rate almost 6. Tight line bowled by Siddharth, and what a bowling analysis. 3 overs, 21 runs and 4 wickets. What more you want? Siddharth took 4 and captain says, ye dil mange more. Who will it be? Danny. Danny is the new entry. They have Aussie who can bowl as well. First delivery, and Arjun plays it towards wideish mid-wicket. Single there. 36 for 5. Arjun has done a good job by rotating the strike and giving it to Ravi. Ravi this time pulls that ball, gets 2. $38 for 5. Santa Cruz Sunrisers need a respectable total which will allow their bowlers to attack Chembur Knights in the second innings. Once again, 2D. Ravi Lingala is playing really good now, 40 for 5. $40 for 5. We are into over number 7. A Yorker line delivery on the middle end leg, and Ravi drived it towards wideish mid-wicket where Vuma, his name is Umesh, but he is known as Vuma, who fields the ball, and score now 41 for 5. Excellent fielding displayed by Chembur today. Oh, this time a short arm pull by Arjun, and he will get 2. So both the batsmen are concentrating on 2, and that is what is the right technique. Batting is like rickshaw driving. If you can't get a fare of 100 rupees, try getting 18 rupees fare 6 times, and you will do business of 108. 43 for 5. Santa Cruz Sunrisers are in a consolidation phase right now. Again a good shot, short arm pull by Arjun. He is playing a captain innings. Very patient innings by Arjun. 44 for 5 at the end of 7 overs. Yes, it is an over. Thank you. Vishal Urf Dadu will bowl the next over. This will be over number 8. 18 balls are remaining, and Ravi and Arjun would like to score at least 30 to 35 of it. Score double of every ball so that they can go up to 75-80. 75 to 80 is what they need, because Chembur Knights have also some real good batsmen. Oh, and there shows Ravi his class. High and handsome. Score now 50 for 5. First 6, and what a time it has come for the team. 50 for 5, and Vishal Dadu is getting a whack. Wide ball, and score 51 for 5. This is what happens when you are hit for a sixer. It disturbs your rhythm. Ravi Lingala must have played so many matches. I'm seeing him since long, and has been a fantastic cricketer. All this time a change of pace, intelligent one, but this time wicketkeeper was not agile. There was a chance there which was missed, and he's not happy. Must be Vishal Dadu must be telling wicketkeeper, why this Kolaveri? Kolaveri. Score now 51 for 5. Again a change of pace, and Ravi read it so well. A splendid pull shot. $53 for 5. Vishal bowling a bit costly over. Once again a wide ball. He's not able to control his movement of the ball. A submarine ball that went past a leg stump like a torpedo, and score now 54 for 5. Oh, there was a helicopter shot. There was a chance there, but Aussie was not at all ready to go for the catch because he wanted to stop that boundary. Ravi Lingala on 15, and Santa Cruz Sunrisers 55 for 5 in 8th over. 2 more balls to go. So total of 14 more balls to go, and if they are able to score about 25 runs, we will finish at 80 in the first innings, which should be a good total. Arjun this time misses it completely, and there's an appeal of stump out. $55 for 5. Oh, this time balloons in the air, and yes, Arjun is caught by wicketkeeper.
जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, हाँ लगा, शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, हाँ सजा, जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, हाँ लगा, शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, हाँ सजा, ये है उदासी जान के प्यासी।
55 for 6. जी हाँ, शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, पर शादी वो है, वो लड्डू है जो खाए तो भी पछता है और नहीं खाए तो भी पछता है। तो बिना खाए पछताने से खाकर ही क्यों ना पछताए। So Dharmesh Panchal being greeted well by Aussie, he hugged him as if today is a World Hug Day, and 8 overs, 55 for 6. Last 2 overs, and Denny bowls his last over and team's 9th over. Ravi Lingala is joined by Dharmesh Panchal. 12 deliveries to go. They need at least 25 runs. to finish at 80. First delivery goes for a couple. Ravi Lingala's bat swing has been really good. Hand-eye coordination is good. And what is more important is his footwork. Constantly hitting towards the leg side above square leg and mid-wicket is not easy job. 57 for the loss of 6. And this time Ravi will clear the fence, it seems, and yes it is. $63 for 6. 63 for 6 and Ravi Lingala now on. 23. His t-shirt number is 23. That jersey number belonged to Michael Jordan. And there you see, towering 6. Minimum effort, maximum result. 6.
करके बॉटम्स अप अज हिलने ने लगते ना नचना
This time driving it and with this score now 70 for 6. 70 for 6 and we welcome Juhu Junaid. Two more balls to go. 70 for 6 and this time Danny bowling to Dharmesh and Dharmesh also now comes to party.
All right.
76 for 6. Flawless execution of that shot. Pure timing. Dharmesh practices every day so hard and the results are evident. He's mistimed it this time. Harsh Madan and Danny both are trying and finally Danny takes it. Dharmesh played a cameo of an innings. Now comes Rohit. 9 overs, 76 for 7.
My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. It's 9:20 light. My bed sheets smell like 3, 2, 1, come on. I'm in love with your body.
Score 76 for 7. After 9 overs, 76 for 7 and last over to go now. And that will be bowled by Vishal Dadu and Ravi Lingala on strike. Ravi is playing on 30 runs, valuable 30 runs to this side. He is the son of Sunrisers. Look at that shot and Aussie cannot get it. Hot shot.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming out, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming out, follow my lead. Coming out, follow my lead.
Thank you, DJ. 82 for 7. And yes, Ravi will perish. Oh my God, this is a big wicket.
शगना वाली ताड़ में जगमग जगमग करती खुशियां हो गया कमाल में तितर बितर 976 हो गया पूरा हाल
82
में
for, thank you, DJ. 82 for 8 and this is a good thing. Santa Cruz Sunrisers are never challenged this big by any team. And Chembur Knights are doing this today in style. Of course, they have conceded about 20 more runs, but they will cover it up. It's a batsman's game. It's a batting paradise. This pitch. New batsman Pranay, already 8 wickets down. Ravi Lingala played a beautiful innings today. A dot ball. Ravi Lingala scored 36 of 15 balls, and that's a very valuable contribution. Vishal Dadu now bowling right arm round the wicket, and this is last over. A better delivery this time. There's no run. Slowly we are coming towards the climax. 2 more balls to go, and somehow they would like to touch 90. If Sunrisers can hit 2 big shots, 90 will give them psychological advantage. On the other end, if the score Koibatro and Rohit will have to come now. Last man. So, for the information of umpire, Santa Cruz Sunrisers are playing with 1 player short. So, they are all down. 82 is the score, 83 to win. Thank you, DJ. So welcome to Khar Gymkhana, and you are watching Joy Builders presents Mumbai Cricket Stars Season 2. where every player is a winner. A B. Kandari Realtors initiative brought to you by Mr. Bihari P. Kandari, Mr. Vijay Kandari, and Mr. Arjun Kandari. 83 is the target for Chembur side, and they have started with a single. Vishal and Ozzy are the opening batsmen, and this time good use of bottom hand. Devansh is the bowler. Two without loss. It's not a very big total. At the same time, it's not a small total either. So it's a competitive total. Short pull and will get a single. 3. First 5 overs, the score was only 36 for Sunrisers. But it is in the last 5 overs they showed their class, especially Ravi Lingala. This time Ozzy plays a good shot and Sanju takes the catch. Ozzy is out. In the last 5 overs they showed their class, especially Thank you, DJ. Devansh bowling next delivery and a flick of the wrist. A single there. Devansh is not just a good bowler but also a good batsman and a wicket keeper. This time Vishal Dadu using his brain, getting that single. Score at the end of first over 5 for 1, and they need 78 of 9 overs. So fresh over will commence from MCS end, and that will be bowled by Sachin. This tournament is sponsored by Joy Builders and Developers. Join every moment of life. Joy Legend. Be the one. First delivery, well left. There's no run. Denny is the batsman. This tournament is co-sponsored by B. Kandari Properties, Night on Valve, Heritage Lifestyles, Ashtavinayak Cranes, associate sponsor K. Hemani, Girish Optics. Again a half-tracker delivery. This time went past his ears. Our ground partners, Car Gymkhana, network partner Reliance Jio, umpire panel by MCA, out-of-home partner Roshan Space, music partner T-Series, style partner Agile. Oh, there's an easy catch. Oh my God. Sachin was not ready in his follow-through. Otherwise, that would have been wicket number 2. Beautifully bowled by Sachin. Getting a lot of compliments from Ashok and other team members. Applauding his effort. Never seen high attitude comes into place, I remember. Chembur Knights chasing 83 are 5 for 1 into over number 2. Wide outside the off stump. Sachin not able to control his line and length, just like Vishal struggled in the first innings. Half tracker and Danny straight away into the groove now. Scores a single. Seven for 1. a bit impatient right now. Danny wants to go for those big shots, but not the right time. Chembur Knights will have to show a lot of resolution while scoring these runs. This time driving through the line, gets a single. Rohit the fielder. Score now 8 without any wickets. This over is completed and 8 for 1. 75 runs required of 8 overs. Next over will be bowled by Devansh, who started the bowling proceedings. 2 overs, 8 runs, 1 wicket. Fresh over, there's a good fielding there by Arjun himself in first slip as a captain. 8 for 1. 75 to win. We are into over number 3. Quicker delivery. Oh my God, there was a blinder that was dropped. Devansh. Everything happened in a flash of a second. Otherwise, that would have been curtains for Danny. This time, mistimed it. Rohit is trying hard but will not be able to stop it. They will still get a single. Danny is taking those calculated risks as long as he is getting lives. 9 for 1. Very soon these batsmen will go for the charge. Score still remains at 9 for 1. We are into over number 3. Run rate very low right now. Devansh has performed well with his bowling. He was not able to make runs, but he has bowled a tight line. This time, flick of the wrist. It was more of a glance. And score now 10 for 1. Glance is a shot that you play off medium pacers and flick. All this time, very handsomely driven, square of the wicket, single. Score 11 for 1 at the end of 3. And Devansh bowling analysis, 2 overs, 8 runs and 1 wicket. "72 more runs required of remaining 7 overs, and required run rate has started creeping up now.
तू होगी 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी.
Thank you, DJ. Today they are also missing services of Sandeep, who has been their main bowler. Rohit is coming in now as a part-time bowler. I'm sure he must have worked hard on this game. First delivery, a short pitch one, and that will go above the lights. It's a sixer. "17 for 1. Thank you, DJ. 17 for 1. Now this is called double trouble. Rahim can't bowl and Sandeep is not there. So Rohit now. Express delivery. Played towards gully for single and score now 18 for 1. I would request Santa Cruz Gaurav and Juhu Giants captain to be ready for the toss because we are running short of the time. We might want to have this toss probably towards 7th or the 8th over of the innings. Good change of pace this time by Rohit, but it's a wide. $19 for 1. Excellent cover drive, but there was Dharmesh who was very quick, but batsmen are going for 2. That's what they got to do. Score 21 for 1, and Chembur Knights have started accumulating runs now. The way honeybee collects honey, every drop of honey, similarly they are now scoring those singles and doubles. They got to convert singles into doubles and doubles into triples. This time a powerful hit, but there is a catch. Pranay takes a catch, Danny out. $21 for 2. New batsman is Akshay. Vishal on strike. Very sensible cricket by Dadu. Score now 22 for 2. So will we see Dadu ka Jadu tonight? Let's wait. Chembur Knights. The team owner is Girish Gangwani, and Santa Cruz Sunrisers owner is Mr. Vijay Kandhari. Both very good friends. Wide ball. This over is a long, long one. Express delivery and just steered it for a single. Score now 24 runs at the end of 4 overs. 24 for 2. They need 83 to win, out of which they have managed 24. $59 required of 6 overs now. Thank you, DJ. 59 runs required of 6 overs. 36 balls, 59 runs, and required run rate almost 10. We would request Sunrisers to cooperate in terms of time, please, because we are racing towards 8:30, and we still have one more game coming up between Juhu Giants and Santa Cruz Gaurav. Juhu Giants are yet to win a game, and their captain Saad would love to do that today. Both Juhu Giants and Santa Cruz Gaurav are ready now. 36 balls, 59 runs, and Devansh will bowl his last over. 2 overs, 8 runs, and 1 wicket. Score 25 for 2. This time, what a cracking on drive. There's a bit of misfielding and they could have gone for second one, but what? Oh, yes, it is at extra run. Yes, total 2. 27 for 2. 56 to win now. Every drop makes an ocean. And I'm sure both Vishal and Akshay would like to treat the bowling on merit and try and score those runs. 83 the target. Powerful hit straight through the line and will get a single there. Dharmesh the fielder. A deep long off. 28 for 2. 55 to win. We are into over number 5. Oh, there was a brilliant try there, but couldn't. Oh, he has taken the catch. Oh, Ashok took that catch. I think umpires will have to decide. We are still not sure what it is. So it's one declared and the game has to start. Thank you. So it's a dot ball. Ball is counted. Batsman is not out and it's not a wicket. So umpires have told that it's not a wicket, it's not a run, and the ball is counted. This time driven firmly will take a single. Sachin the fielder there. Devansh slowly moving towards climax of a spell. 29 for 2. 54 runs to win, and this is over number 5. 5 more after this. Good shot, and that will be a super 6.
में पुदीना देगा नाका नागिना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देखा चांदनी चिडर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा मेरी बात तेरी बात
30 balls and 48 runs. 30 balls, 48 to win.
Now, boy.
30 balls and 48 runs. Difference of only 18. 3 sixes or 4 boundaries can bridge the gap, and it will be ball-to-ball equation. They have 5 good overs left. The dilemma is that they don't have Sandeep and Rahim can't bowl. So that's where they are in a catch-22 situation. Devansh has finished his 3 overs, and now Sachin will bowl the next over. .35 for 2. Akshay on strike against Sachin. First delivery, a batter one. He pushed the batsman backwards deep into the crease. Again, good delivery, a sweet timing there. Ashok the fielder. .36 for 2. Over number 6 in progress. This time played high in the air, and Siddesh takes the catch. Over number 6 in progress. 36 for 3. So Sehwag of Chembur now on ground. Vuma. Oh, what a shot there. Oh my God, that was the beauty. Thank you, DJ. 42 for 3, 41 required to win. Single there, score now 43 for 3, now 40 runs required. We are into over number 6. 4 more overs after this. Over number 6 in progress. Oh, this time a very good angle created by Sachin, learning from his previous deliveries. Now 24 balls and 40 runs to win. .24 balls, 40 runs, and Dharmesh now talking to Ashok. I think Dharmesh it will be. Dharmesh Panchal bowls the next over and the very first.
तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए.
Beauty, he couldn't complete his hat trick but has bowled a dot ball, 3 dot balls, 21 balls and 40 runs. Now this is going to be a decider. This over has turned the fortunes in favor of Sunrisers. Punit, both the Punit are on strike, rather at the crease. Single there. 20 balls, 39 runs. A cool breeze running across this ground now. It makes you feel so fresh when you experience this breeze. 20 balls, 39 runs. This time a better shot and will get at least 2 runs. 19 balls and 37 runs. 19 balls, 37 runs. Now required run rate 12. Both Punit will have to do something. This was certainly Chembur's match and Sunrisers have turned the tides. A big shot and oh, what a catch there by Devan. DJ. 18 balls and 37 runs required. Dharmesh Panchal bowled a magical spell. 1 over 2 runs and 3 wickets. He would like to frame all those 3 wickets into his drawing room. Fresh over, first delivery, and that will go to the fence for 4. Oh, you can't do much about it. You. This is last over of Sachin. 17 balls and 33 runs. 17 balls, 33 runs. Sachin into his last over. Bowls the next one. Oh my God, this is a biggie. What a powerful hit there by Sid. (16 balls and 27 runs. There's a difference of only 11. And we welcome Mr. Vijay Kandhari from B. Kandhari Properties. They are the co-sponsors. (16 balls and 27 runs. Again a powerful 10. Dharmesh takes the catch. Oh my God, today is Dharmesh Day. So with this wicket, Dharmesh has taken 3 catches, or rather 3 wickets and has taken 1 catch. He scored a 6er also. What an all-round performance today. This is Mumbai cricket star moment of the day. He has taken 2 catches. (56 now). 27 to win of 15 balls. This time played from the back foot, Harsh Madan. And welcome 57 for 7 now. 26 runs to win. This time they are going for a single. So now 13 balls and oh, they are going for second. This is a good running between the wicket. But oh, Ashok is laughing. He is laughing like Steve Waugh. He knows that the slipped out of their hands. Wicketkeeper Rahim not into the best of his fitness today. Score now 59 for 7 and they need 24 to win. It's a nail-biting finish. 13 balls. So this tournament is known as Mumbai Cricket Stars Season 2, brought to you by Joy Builders and Developers. Joy in every moment of life. Joy Legend. Be the One. Co-sponsored by B. Kandari Properties, Night on Valve, Heritage Lifestyles, Ashtavinayak Cranes. Associate sponsors K. Hemani and Girish Optics. Ground partner Kha Gymkhana, network partner Reliance Jio, umpire panel by MCA, out of home partner Roshan Space, music partner T-Series, style partner Agile. A better delivery this time, just managing a single and ensured. So now 12 balls. Balls and 26 runs and rather 24. Dharmesh Panchal is bowling the next over and the batsman is Sharan. Sharan means shelter and I'm sure Dharmesh Panchal now. 8 wickets have fallen. Oh, what a shot. Will this be wicket number 9? Arjun Kandari takes it. Dharmesh, 4th wicket. For 9, last wicket to go. Chembur certainly missing Kiran today. Wide ball. 60 for 9. 23 to win. What Chembur Knights might want to do is, even if they can't win, they should try and reduce the margin of loss because that will give them some boost in the net run rate.
No, but it's anyone's game today. It's
yes.
Yet equally on both sides.
Once again a wide ball by Dharmesh. 61 for 9 now. 22 to win. 10 balls, 22. Couple of big hits can certainly do that, but let us not forget that the last pair is on the ground. 9 wickets have fallen, so this is